because of my hiccups.
Then it's a good thing the movers are here to help.
Here's what I need you to do. Read very slowly. Like this. Once there was an average boy named Billy. His hair was neither dark, nor light, nor curly, nor straight. Like that, only without hiccups.
The hiccups were the most interesting part of the story.
I think we've got it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let the recording begin. Once there was an average boy named Billy.
Good, but read slower and more boring.
More boring. Billy's hair was neither dark nor light. In fact, it was purple. And Billy turns to his mom. He's like, "Mom, why's my hair purple?" And then his mom says,
Your hair is purple because you're a purple alien. From the planet Purpleopia.
What page are they on?
I don't know, Uncle Nuts.
I have no hands. I have no hands. I have no hands. And I'm an alien too, son. Check out my purple toes.
Stop, please.
But I just thought of the most exciting thing for Billy to do.
But I don't want my stories to be exciting. I want them to be just as I wrote them. Boring.
Uncle Nuts, you're...
No, not now, Nina. I cannot let my stories be ruined like this. The movers must read my stories exactly as I wrote them.
But Uncle Nuts, your hiccups. They're gone!
Yeah.
Yes!
They are? Wait. Let me see. I'm talking some more. I'm still talking, and no hiccups are coming out.
That's great!
"Way to go, Nitnots."
And way to go, Dave. Your plan worked.
What plan?
We thought if we could get you to stop thinking about your hiccups.
They might go away all by themselves.
And it looks like we did it.
It sure did. Thank you, movers.
We're just glad your hiccups are gone. Come on, guys. Back to the idea warehouse.
Bye, guys. Thanks for getting rid of my Uncle Nuts hiccups.
Bye, Nina. Bye, Nitnuts.
Bye. Well, that was far too much excitement for one day. Well, for 1 year, actually. Now it's time